All right, number 12. Almost done. Yes. All right, these two triangles are similar just because it says so, basically. We need to write a proportion that equates the two. Now, this 15 right here corresponds to this long side right here, and we don't know what that is. So this 15 is actually just distractor information. We don't need it. All right, what I need to do is write a proportion to equate these two. I could say x over 10 is equal to x minus 2 over 8. All right, just doing like the height and whatever that side is, and the height to whatever that side is. All right, I could relate it like that, or I could relate it like I could say 10 is to 8. Okay, 10 is to 8 as x is to x minus 2. All right, either one of those proportions would solve this thing and be okay. I'll go ahead and use this one. I'll cross multiply. 10 times x will be 10x. 10 times the 2 will be negative 20. And then I'm going to have 8 times x. All right, what I want to do here is move my x's onto one side. Different ways to do it. I'll just move the 10x minus 10x from both sides. So that's going to leave me with a negative 20 and a negative 2x. Divide by negative 2, and you'll get, 10? Yeah, 10 is equal to x. Cool. Bam. All right, number 13. This one looks a little confusing because of, you've got an x and a y. You actually need to set up two separate proportions in order to solve this one. There's not going to be a proportion that will allow you to solve for x and y in one go. Like, you can't have one equation that solves for two variables like that. You could actually solve this using the Pythagorean theorem, assuming that this is a right angle right here. It looks like a right angle, but I don't know it because the problem didn't say. But if it was a right angle, we could use the Pythagorean theorem if we knew how to do that. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for x first. I'm just going to say something like x over, I could do x over 25 is equal to, now the only one I can't do is 35 is to y. All right, it would be true, but it wouldn't help me solve the equation. What I need to do is x over 25 and 20 to 18. So 20 and 18, those are the only two corresponding sides that I know on both triangles. That's why I have to use those. All right, this will be 18x equals 20 times 25. 400, is it 500? No, 20 times 25. Oh, it is 500. All right, and then divide by 18. 500 divided by 18, 27.7. Little repeater bar there. Okay, so when you set up your equation for y, I could do, y is to 35. Y over 35. And then I could do 25 is to x. But if I did that, I would need to do like 27.777. I would need to put several of those repeating sevens. All right. So instead of doing that, instead of going y to 35, I'm going to go 18 to 20. Okay, 18 is to 20. All right, that'll do it. 35 times 18, 630 is equal to 20y. And I know I can just cross out a 0 there, divide by 10. All right, divide by 2. 63 divided by 2 is 31.5. And that is the game. Cool. Thank you.